Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Please take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So, Sumit, first of all, introduce yourself.
So, I am Shubham and I have completed my 10th standard from Kendriya Vidyalaya and 12th also from Kendriya Vidyalaya, and then after I pursued Electronics and Communication Engineering from UIT Chandigarh, and after that I am preparing for civil services.
And what is your motive of life?
So, to help others and also to pursue a better career and better opportunities for myself.
Positive and strength part of your life. Positive, negative strength of your life.
Sir,
Strength and weakness of your.
my strength is I am a person with integrity, and I am having accountability, and also I like to work in with team and with people, like to connect with people. And my weaknesses are that I sleep for long, that is 8 to 10 hours, and I am a little bit sentimental.
Okay. My first question from your side. What is communication?
So communication is the transmission of information signal through a transmitter, and then it is received at the receiver end, and then it is decoded so that the information signal is transferred from one place to the other.
Okay. So, tell me about the types of orbit.
Sorry, sir.
About orbit, Earth orbit.
Okay, sir. There are low Earth orbit, which are having the height of 400 kilometers approximately from the Earth's surface, and there is geosynchronous orbit, and there is sun synchronous orbit.
Difference between these types of orbits?
Low Earth orbit is approximately 400 kilometers, as I mentioned, and geosynchronous orbit is very high. It is approximately 36,000 kilometers from the Earth's surface, and geosynchronous has one thing particular, that in that orbit, if a satellite is being placed, it remains stationary, especially in that geostationary orbit, with respect to a particular point on the Earth. And in the sun synchronous orbit, the satellite placed in that orbit have a particular synchronous position with respect to sun as well as Earth.
Okay. So, tell me about the communication satellite and how it will work, how it's work.
After we launch the communication satellite, especially that is placed in the geosynchronous orbit, and then we have to send the signal from the transmitter from the Earth station, and then that is received by the receptor at the communication satellite, and that is modulated, and it goes through a repeater, and then that information, if needed, is processed, or otherwise it is just sent to the transmitter of the satellite, and from there it is retransmitted towards the Earth, and that is being received at the other station on the Earth.
Okay, good answer. So, how will you use your knowledge and experience of electronics and communication in the development of Bihar?
Sir, recently Bihar government has been emphasizing on the e-governance, and also, sir, on the they are using technical softwares and technical tools, in which my knowledge of electronics and communication would be helpful. Sir, for example, the biometrics, the use of Internet of Things in the governance.
And the Internet of Things is available in Bihar?
Yes, sir. In some places it is available, but it is not being used at a large scale in the governance. right now.
That's right. You are SDM in your small area. That how will you use Internet of Things and artificial intelligence? Resources and infrastructure are not available at that place.
Sir, with the BharatNet project.
Give your answer which is feasible
Yes, sir.
at your district and your area.
Yes, sir. Sir, with the BharatNet project, the internet is being provided at the panchayat offices in the villages, and I would like to install the devices at every panchayat, and that will be provided internet facilities through the BharatNet, and that all the devices would be integrated with each other at the nodal device with the nodal device at the subdivision level. And if we want to communicate, we can communicate at real time basis, and that too immediately. So this would be helpful in flood mitigating and making people aware about floods.
Okay, good. Some questions from your optional side. Tell me about what is society?
Sir, society is an abstract concept in which large number of individuals having common values and norms live together.
And what is group?
Sir, group is a small number having a small number of individuals which have personal connection and or personal interaction with each other.
And then what is community?
Sir, community is a social group which is having similar norms and values.
So, tell me about your favorite thinker. Who is your favorite thinker?
Sir, Max Weber.
Next level. So, what is ideal type?
Sir, ideal type are devised by Max Weber as a pure type which has different characteristics about any social action, and that this helps in the sociologist to make comparison with the real life scenario for a better sociological study.
Can you explain the ideal type of bureaucracy?
Yes, sir. So, according to Max Weber, ideal type of bureaucracy has the following characteristics: that the bureaucrats are chosen on the basis of talent, they are trained, they are permanent, and there is a proper division of labor, of hierarchy, and so they are paid in cash, and also they are held responsible for their work.
Okay. So, R.K. Martin criticized the bureaucracy of Max Weber as a trained in capacity. Are you agree with that criticism? Trained in capacity.
Sir,
Are you familiar with trained in capacity?
Sir, I am not very much familiar with this, but if you allow me, sir, I would make a guess.
Go ahead.
Sir, R.K. Martin criticized it because in bureaucracy, the bureaucrats are trained in such a way that they have to follow the rules and regulations strictly. This makes their personal, this curbs their personal innovation and thinking. So I think.
And in case of future, in changing scenario, you got training in 1960 and you are working in 2010. Then that training is useful in 2010.
No, sir.
That is training capacity.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So you are always traveling and swimming.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, tell me similarity between swimming and administration.
Sir, a swimmer has as much challenges in the water while swimming, similar to that of the administrator. But the difference is that a swimmer knows that about destination, and he knows about how much he has to travel. But an administrator has challenges which keeps on changing, depending upon the place and time.
Recently, where you visit?
Sir, recently I visited Kamla last year pre-pandemic.
So, what you see?
Sir, I have visited Kangra earlier also in 2015. So I sensed many changes there, as there were more developments in terms of roads, and people were having more resources in terms of electricity and availability of water, as could be seen through water pipes being installed there. And also, sir, I saw that the forest have been cleared for the development purpose there.
So, what you learn from Kangra to implement in your home district, Patna?
Sir, the one thing is that in those 5 years I have seen many changes, especially in the rural areas, as my trip was random and I wandered in the rural areas too there. So, sir, there were changes, so that can be implemented in Patna also. For example, in the rural areas, the making availability of water resources and broadening the rural roads, so that making the connectivity better with the urban areas.
So, please.
Yes. Why your optional is sociology?
Yes, sir.
Why you choose your optional as sociology, though you are graduate from electronics and communication?
Sir, I have a habit of reading newspaper from my school days, and even during the college days I read newspaper, especially about the social events and the social problems that were going in our society. And at the 4th year of my college, when I decided to pursue civil services as my career, then I looked for different subjects which are available, and since electronics and communication engineering was not available in the list of main subject,
Okay.
so I chose sociology according to my interest.
Carbon 9 is in news. Why? What is this?
So, I don't know.
Why India has not developed its own GPS?
Sir, India has been developing NAVIC, IRNSS, Indian Regional Naval Navigation Satellite.
Are we able in a position to use its present developing form? India is using GPS own system at present.
Sorry, sir, I am not aware whether it is being used or not.
We are using GPS system developed by foreign countries or by India itself at present. Are
Sir,
you aware
we
of
are
it?
using GPS system as well. But sir,
What is the use of developing of GPS by India if you are not using it?
Sir, I'm not very much sure about it, but I think, sir, it is in the development process, and it may take some time to develop.
In your opinion, who is the great traveler at a global stage of all times?
So, Al-Biruni, sir.
Or Varun?
What was the contribution of Al-Biruni in Indian history?
Sir, he traveled through West Asia, Central Asia, and India, and he wrote whatever he saw at that point of time about the polity, economy, and society of that place, and through which we could know more about the history in a more systematic manner right now.
Can you name his book? He wrote.
Sir, if I'm not very much sure about it.
No answer.
Okay. So, you recently told about the reading newspapers. So, are you familiar with CMYK?
Sorry, sir. I'm not getting it right now.
Okay, no issue. Your interview is over. You may go now.
Yes, sir.